Hello everyone, I am Piyush Vairade. So in the previous videos, we have discussed about GATE data science and artificial intelligence syllabus, right? And few important topics also we have discussed in that. Now in this video, we will see what are the best books and resources for your preparation for GATE DA exam, right? Now the first topic is probability and statistics, right? So if you observe these topics like counting, permutation, combination, probability, then mutually exclusive event, right? Disjoint probability Bayes theorem. Few topics are already there in the like other branches like EC or civil or mechanical. You can refer to that, right? You can find out also previous year GATE question based on these topics, right? So I would suggest take any GATE coaching material, right, based on these topics. So you can just refer to GATE coaching material. Also, they will provide you previous year questions, right? So I think this will be best to go. But to understand the concept, if you want to understand the concept, these two are the playlist. So both the playlist is from IITM BS degree, right? IITM BS degree. So first playlist is for stats 1, like statistics for data science 1, and this is for stats 2 course, right? Stats 2 course. And these two are the reference book that I will recommend. Introductory Statistics by Neil, and the other one is Introductory Statistics. There's a fourth edition by Sheldon Ross. So both the reference books are pretty good, and they will cover all the topics present in this particular section. So if you go through this particular playlist, so here you can see IITM BS playlist, Statistics for Data Science 1. So you can start with the week 5 onwards. So week 5 is there. You can see like first 4 weeks also you can refer to start with, but yeah, you can, if you have some background in mathematics, you can directly start with week 5 onwards. So here you can see permutation combination, right? Factorials, then what is permutation, then examples and applications, right? And there are tutorials also. In this, instructors have discussed the questions, right? They have taken the practice problem and they have discussed it in the tutorial. So you can also go to the tutorials, right? So all the content like from week 5 onwards. So please watch all the videos. So it will cover you more topics. Then there's one more playlist, that is this playlist, that is stats 2, because few topics are in the stats 2 also, right? So for this playlist, I will recommend you just take which are the important topics in the syllabus and try to watch video based on that. For example, binomial distribution is there, then watch this video. Then Bernoulli distribution is there, watch this video, right? Just refer to the syllabus and which are the important topics like covariance is there, correlation is there. So watch these videos, right? So yeah, I will suggest to watch videos based on the syllabus given to us. But stats 1, week 5 onwards. So all week 5 onwards. So you can see most of the topics will be covered, right? I think till here they will cover, right? And then after that, the remaining topics will be covered in the stats 2 parts. So both the playlists you can refer to understand the conceptual part. Then you can refer to get any GATE coaching material or previous year questions. There are few, most of the topics are covered in the previous year, other branches like EC, civil or mechanical. So previous year questions are there. So try to get questions from that and try to practice it, right? And these are the two reference books. So I think this will be sufficient. To understand the concept, refer to these videos for practice purpose, refer to previous year GATE questions, also watch the tutorials in both the playlists, and also you can practice question given in these two reference books. Right, so I think this will cover you all the concepts, and this previous year question will cover the practice also, right? So yes, that's it from probability and statistics part. The next section is linear algebra. Yes, so if you observe, this part is present in EC branch, so you can refer to previous year GATE questions. Like this part is also present, like matrices, then determinant, rank, then eigenvalues, eigenvectors, system of linear equations. All these topics, like types of matrices, all these topics are covered in the EC, civil, or mechanical branches, like CS branches also in the engineering mathematics section. So you can refer to a previous year question based on these topics. Only I think these two topics are not present. So yeah, I think this topic is also present. Only this topic is not present. So for that, you can refer to any YouTube video. Just search for this particular topic. And in calculus part also, like all the topics are covered in previous year question. I think this topic is little bit extra, right? But for that, you can refer to this reference book, Introduction in Algebra by Gilbert Strang. So a very good book. You can find out very good questions from this book also. But for most of the topics, I would suggest get coaching material. Again, any get coaching material, because you don't have to go through all the proofs and theorems. So get coaching material will cover everything in this, right? So any get coaching material like Made Easy is there, right? Ace publication is there, Ace Academy is there, right? Ace Academy. So you can refer to their engineering mathematics section. Most of the topics will be covered. There are a few extra topics. For that, you can refer to the reference book or YouTube you can watch, right? Yeah, and please practice previous year get question based on this. So I think that will be enough. So first three topics like probability statistics part, linear algebra, calculus optimization, I will strongly recommend it to solve previous year gate questions. So this will give you a clear idea what type of questions will they ask, right? Yeah, you can expect the similar level of questions in the DA also, right? I don't think they will decrease the level, but yeah, they may ask one or two questions at a difficult level, but yeah, most of the questions will be similar to a previous year gate questions only. And for these two topics, we don't know what type of questions they will ask, so better to cover the basic concept of these two topics, right? So that's it from these two part. Now the next thing is programming, data structures and algorithm. So we have this programming in Python, right? So we don't know how much we have to cover in depth. So for this, I will recommend this Python crash course, books by Eric Mathis. So it's a very good book. So like you can refer to part one. So yeah, it will take time, but you can refer to part one, or you can watch any programming in Python video on YouTube, right? So any video, any good video on YouTube, you can watch for this programming in Python, and this book is more than enough for Python course. Now for the data structures algorithm part, so I will suggest you to solve a previous year questions. Not all not all concepts are covered in the CS branch, but few topics are there. For that, you can refer to previous year get questions, or I have given this two playlists. Either you can watch this playlist or this playlist, right? So both the playlists are NPTEL lectures, and first one is yeah. So this one is NPTEL lectures by Professor Madhavan. He's a director of CMI, and yeah, you can see most of the topics are covered in this particular playlist. Next playlist also you can refer to this. This is playlist like by same professor, but this course is taken in the IITM BS degree. So here you can see, right? Few topics are covered. All the topics are covered. So what I will suggest you just go through the what are the topics is given in the syllabus and watch the videos based on that, right? So there are few tutorials also. It will help you to solve the problems also. And like if you find a previous year gate question like few of the topics, so you can directly go to try to solve that, right? So I think yeah, that is enough for programming in Python PDSA. Watch these two lectures. For Python part, we don't know what they will ask, so better to cover all the things. So this book is good enough to go with, right? So that's it from this section. Now, database management and warehousing part, right? So yeah, these also like most of the topics are covered in DBMS. Still, I think data types normalization part, right? So you can refer to these two reference books. So you can refer to these two reference book, Database System by Silverstash and Cort, or DBMS Database Management System by Raghu Ramakrishna. Both the books are pretty good, but in this book, this Raghu Ramakrishna books, questions are given along with the solutions. So very good amount of questions, particularly these topics, relational algebra, tuple calculus, SQL, right? All these topics are covered pretty extensively, and you can see very good questions in this book. Also, if you observe, like few previous year gate questions, like similar questions as they are present in this book also. So just go through this book for conceptual purpose. You can refer to this book or watch this NPTEL playlist. So in this playlist, all the content is taken from the Koth reference book. So yeah, so better to watch this playlist first and then go to the try to solve the questions based on this book, right? Raghu Ramakrishna. So we'll see the playlist. So this playlist is covered by the PPD sir from IIT Kharagpur. So you can watch first 20 lectures here. That is good enough. Not after first 20 lectures is more than enough for this DBMS course, and then try to solve the question based on Raghu Ramakrishna book. And also previous year gate questions you can find out. Previous year CS branch question based on DBMS you can find out. So pick some topics and based on that you can try to solve the questions. And for data warehouse concept purpose, I will recommend Data Warehousing Fundamentals book. Very good book by Paul Raj. So yeah, you can refer to this book or on YouTube also you can search topic wise. So that will be enough. So I don't think they will have good. I don't think they will have some numerical question based on that. Just concept they will ask. So yeah, any good resource on YouTube or this book is more than enough for data warehousing. But for DBMS, a good amount of question they can ask. So refer to this book and NPTEL. Also, this SQL part we don't know how much we have to cover. They have mentioned entity constraint, data types, but like all the queries, like advanced level queries, we don't know we have to cover. So yeah, try to watch the first 20 lectures. So first 20 lectures, it will not take time, right? Hardly you can say 10 hour. It will take, right? 30 minutes per lecture, so it will take hardly 10 hours. So just go through this playlist first, and then you can solve. So I think this will be enough for DBMS. I think this is good enough, right? And for data warehouse, just refer to this book or any uh, resources on YouTube will be good enough. Yeah, that's it. Then yeah, so then we have two new topics, that is machine learning and AI. For this, we don't have any previous year gate questions, right? So what I will suggest you, try to cover all the concepts here at a basic level, because we don't know what type of question they will ask. So first try to cover all the topics from at a basic level, just conceptual level. Then you can go deeper into that. So for that, I will recommend these two playlists. Anyone you can refer, or both, like based on the topics you can refer. So first one is from IIT Madras, like NPTEL playlist only. So by Professor Balaram Ravindran. So yeah, this is pretty good. So lectures are pretty good. So you can watch the lectures. But before referring to this playlist, you can just go through the syllabus and what are the important topics are mentioned in that playlist. Just watch that. Same for this. This is NPTEL playlist only, but a professor is from IIT Guwahati. Yeah, here you can see most of the topics are covered in this playlist. So watch these two playlists. Okay. So yeah, and then there's one very good book, The Elements of Statistical Learning, Data Mining. So in this book, most of the topics are covered, right? So you can also refer to this book. But if you are a beginner in machine learning, so I don't think that you will understand the language of this book. So first try to watch the videos, then you can then you can refer to this book, right? Yeah. We don't have previous year questions, so yeah, maybe in the uh, next videos, I will try to come up with a few questions based on this ML and AI part, right? Because we don't have any previous year questions. So yeah, but for preparation part, I think that is good enough. These two playlists. Then after that, refer to this particular reference book. Yeah. Then we have last session, that is AI. So yeah, so this book is good enough. Like all the topics are covered in this book, in this book only. So artificial intelligence, a modern approach by Russell and Norvig. So you can just go through this book because all the topics are mentioned. And for like your YouTube also, like we have NPTEL course, AI Fundamentals of AI by IIT Guwahati Professor. Here you can see most of the topics which is there in the syllabus, it is covered, right? So better to watch the lecture first, NPTEL videos based on the topics, and then you can go through the this reference book, right? Yeah. And also I will try to come up with a question based on this AI and ML part, right? AI and ML, I will try to come up with the questions. Because for other topics, previous year questions are there, so we can understand. But these two are the new. We don't know what type of questions and at which level they will ask. So yeah, so better to cover all the concept first, then we can go deeper into that. Same for AI. Don't go much deep into the concept. Just understand the basic level, like basic understanding of this concept, right? Then I will come up with a few questions. Yeah. So that's it from my side, I guess. Yeah. So we have covered all the topics. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. I will share the YouTube playlist and yeah, I will share the YouTube playlist link in the description. Okay. Thank you.